Hi guys, welcome back to the first video today. Today we're going to do some more pack opening. Guys, I've got Ronaldo. I'll show you that at the end. See what cards we can get in this one. I've nearly got every unrare card. Let's get another common card. Just trying my best to get new cards. Now that you can earn special packs, every time that a special pack, you have to watch an ad, then it allows you to open it. First, I don't think you can do it without Wi-Fi. But literally like 5 to 10 more cards for my uncommon collection and rare collection, and I've got every single one of them cards in the game. Then there's nothing, they shouldn't give you the card again. You could get like 10 Ronaldos or something, and it's just a waste of your time, because if you're like I'm doing now, I've had so many new cards. Look at there, that money left in, that's the money I'm using today at the school. I'm using that at school to get some skills. I got some yesterday. I bought £3 in, I ended up spending 10p on a pen, 90p on skills, and I tried to buy it with a £1 coin, but they wouldn't let me do it. I just luckily I had 90p and change, so I just bought that in, but today I haven't got any more 50p's, or I've got loads of 10 and 20p's, so I'm just going to take them. Let's hope it lets me get them. Or sometimes we ask people, with that money I'm going to pay them. I think I'm going to go before school, after school today, and not open them straight away, or I may go and get some Maltesers or some or I can go, or I may go and just get some to drink or I've nearly got every single American card, and that was a legendary. Did I just get... No, I just didn't get Ronaldo. I literally thought just then I'd got another Ronaldo. Type. I got Messi as well. Country. I literally need... How many American is it? 3 more American players, and I've got every single American player. Let's see how many Argentinian players we got. We got Aguero. I have 2 Agueros. If you could like trade cards, I'd trade. You've got Neymar. I still haven't got Pele yet. That's the only card I really want. Let's get back to opening up some more packs. I literally started this video as soon as I got out of my front door. I'm not just currently don't have an video editor, but I may don't get a video editor. I'll put some effects. When I was looking at the truck what was going past me, I just got a special card. This pack is worth 101 points, and I had a special card in. That's the only new card I got. You know that I was talking about, you can get special packs with at least one special card, and I opened a special pack, and it gave me a card I already got. It gave me the first special card I ever got. Don't need another Neuer. I'm gonna get over to work if I get mine over. I can carry on with the pack opening. I'm not counting if I switched 2 orders. Food packs crate so fast. And now my planet challenge is to try and not get robbed. Before, I could never bring my phone on Tuesday and Wednesdays because you get robbed, but they come around with like a valuable stuff. Shit. So guys, this is going to be it for the video because I really need to save my battery. So I'll see you guys in the next video. We got a couple of special cards, a couple of records, a couple of non-records, so pretty good packaging today. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.